Okay, here we are up in Trail Canyon, just had lunch. Big T is ready to go as always. Oh, almost. Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on! He doesn't even realize that he has his backpack hanging off the back. Stop! You got your backpack on the back, dude!
Oh.
I'm so glad we got all this on video.
That must have been the problem.
It's not hung up in the chain, is it?
I don't know. No, I don't think so.
There you go. How are you going to get out of there?
No problem.
Oh.
Which gear?
I was yelling at you to hang on. Can you not hear in your helmet?
Hang on. I was hanging on.
No, because I was telling you to stop because of your bag.
I said hang on. I said I'm hanging on.
I meant hang on like stop. You're going to suck your pack into your...
Yeah.
Well, we're definitely going to keep this rolling to watch you get out of this.
It's about 90 degrees.
No, I just want to see you get out of this. Get out of this situation, because over here it's pretty big rocks, and you're nicely perpendicular in the middle of the road.
Going the wrong way. Get it pointed downhill.
I don't know. Maybe you go up and try to spin a U-ey. If you can. Oh, well. Yeah, there you go. See, who said we're not working for our good times around here? Alright, that'll work. Now you just worked off your lunch.
Yeah.
So there's the valley down there below. We're about 1,500 feet. Right down a ways. I'll meet you down in a little bit. There he goes. It's pretty loose gravel up here, so this is why we stopped. It's got a little bit squirrely, and the big fat mule over there, I mean, it did okay, but it was a little more work than we would prefer. So I got to saddle up and meet him down.